The Donkey and the Buyer. Ye fella went to the market yon day to buy a beast without delay. This chiel wanted to buy a donkey, but wasna wanting made a monkey. On viewing a likely looking crater, with the seller he discussed the matter. This donkey I'll aiblins buy, I would like to tak it hame to try. To this the seller was agreeable, so the chiel put the donkey in his stable, which stood richt next to his hoose, in it 6 other donkeys on the loose. The new beast didna hang about, into the manger he plunged his snoot. Then he began to stuff his face, next to the laziest yin in the place. The donkey buyer shook his head, put the halter on and did lead the beast back to the donkey seller. This fairly surprised that feller. "Jings, man, you werena slow. Are you sure you dinna want him after a'?" The buyer said, "He's no for me." I could tell by his choice o' company.